Hi, it's Noe with WTI, and I have this 4-piece set of glassware from NETANY. It comes with 4 glass straws and 4 bamboo lids. What I love about this glass is its look. It's modern, it's sleek, it's slender. It allows me to store many in my cupboard at one time. But I also love that you can use the glass with the lid and the straw, or you can use the glass all by itself, and it doesn't take away from how great it looks in your home. Whether you use it for iced coffee or iced tea or fruit smoothies, another great feature is the glass straw. And what I love is that it comes with a glass straw cleaner, so that when you're cleaning the straw, it makes it reusable and very easy to clean. I also love that it comes with the bamboo lid, which makes it very easy to secure a drink if you're on the go, or around the home if you're worried about spills. Now, sometimes I'll start drinking an iced coffee and I'll have to go out and run a couple errands. This glass fits perfectly in your cup holder. And what's great is that the lid helps prevent spills. The bamboo lid is pretty secure. When I'm driving, I'm not worried about spills or the liquid spilling over. So if you're looking for a practical, durable, and modern looking glass, then I would recommend this 4-piece set from NETANY. And that's my point of view.